Welcome to the beautiful Vancouver, Canada. We are here in Kitsilano for the Khatsahlano Street Party. Let's have a look around.
I was just a baby back in 69. Thank you.
Vancouver, Canada has been often called one of the most beautiful cities in North America, and Kitsilano has been called one of the nuggets or very nice parts of Vancouver. Now, Kitsilano is well known for its Kitsilano Beach, and just up the hill on 4th Avenue is the Khatsahlano Street Party. The Khatsahlano Street Party is a giant music and arts festival that takes place on West 4th Avenue in Vancouver's Kitsilano district every year in July. With this free event, festivities are usually scheduled to run on the Saturday from 11 a.m. until 9 p.m. The Khatsahlano Street Party is supposed to celebrate its 10th anniversary this year. The event usually features free concerts with BC-based bands, street performers, artisan products for sale, and gazillions of people. There are market stalls, food vendors, family-friendly activities, and even a beer garden. With tens of thousands of people attending, parking in the area can be a serious challenge. Take public transit if you can and avoid the immediate vicinity with your car. There is usually a bicycle valet service on site, and being just a few blocks from the water and the Broadway Street Bridge, walking and cycling access via the False Creek seawall is fairly convenient. You can access the free bike valet on the Cypress Street between West 5th and West 6th, and on Stevens Street between West 5th and West 6th. The Khatsahlano Street Party features multiple stages with over 50 local performing artists, as well as market vendors, street performers, food trucks, and an artisan market. Essentially, it's a massive street party, much like Car Free Days events or Greek Day on Broadway, which are at other times in the summer. Khatsahlano, though, has more and larger concerts. At the daylong Khatsahlano event, there are usually yoga sessions, cooking demonstrations, an urban obstacle course, drums, arts, and craft stations, a climbing wall, a photo booth, lots of dancing, and more. Live music takes place on a number of stages over the course of the day. The TD Music Stage is at Burrard Street, the Still Creek Stage is at Maple, the Coast Capital Stage is at Vine Street, and the Music BC Stage is at Balsam. The West 4th Avenue Khatsahlano Street Party is Vancouver's largest free music and arts festival. Created with love in 2011, this 10-block street fair spanning from Burrard to McDonald Street also features a wide variety of food options, bustling patios, giveaways, and special activities. I hope to see you at the Khatsahlano Street Party this July. Ciao for now!